Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have a set of lightning sprite sheet animations by Creative Kind, 10 enemy monsters by Morino Hito. Next, we have a cool new game, Seance, a puzzle comedy about two detectives using their supernatural powers to solve murder mysteries that the police can't handle alone. An MV and MZ plugin by Takeshi Sunegawa that extends our control on the weather, allowing us to change image, strength, orientation, speed, and color of the weather, and much more. Next, we have some sprites to go through: a security camera, a mechanical door, and animated balloons by BKTDM, some plants and crops by Skay, and animated filing cabinets by Gothic Void. Also, here's Harold in a modern bathroom. The bathroom tile sets are by Sprite Health. And lastly, we have a new art and design of MV-chan by Michaela Thiston. That is all for today. As more art of MV-chan and MZ-chan comes out, feel free to create a new design matching the logo, or copy someone else's design that you like and adapt it to your own art style. A natural winner of this challenge will simply be the design that is copied and adapted the most.